So next one is dalia, coarsely beaten wheat. Dalia, basket. Next, kinara. Kinara means the river bank. Milana, mixed. Okay. So this one you have to be practice the all words and meanings, Hindi to English, English to Hindi. Okay children? Good. Next one we are going to learn now. You are going to be we are going to be taking the revision of बड़ी ई की मात्रा. ओके, अभ्यास करेंगे हम लोग बड़ी ई की मात्रा वाले शब्द. So first, what is the contents? What do you understand this one? Where you have to add that symbol of badi e. Where you have to be add? After the letter. Okay, when you are going to make the word, if it is there is a badi e ki matra, the symbol of badi e will become. So after letter only you have to be add. Okay, when you have to be add? After the letter. After the letter only you have to be add the symbol of badi e. Okay, for example here cha plus badi e ki matra la, chill. Chill means the kite bird, right? So like that you have to be add the after the letter. Okay, whenever you are going to make the word, and see how it is separated. Cha, only the two letter word is there. So cha plus badi e ki matra, then plus la, and is equal to la, chill. Chill. Okay, cha plus badi e ki matra plus la is equal to chill. Chill means kite bird, no? Yes. Next one, हाथी. हाथी, elephant. Don't forget to हाथी का मतलब क्या होता है इंग्लिश में? Elephant. City का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of the city in English? Whistle. What is the meaning of English तितली? क्या meaning होता है इंग्लिश में तितली का? Butterfly. So इसी को अभी ऑपोजिट करके पूछे. What do you understand in Hindi elephant? What do you call in Hindi elephant? What do you call? Hathi. What do you call whistle in Hindi? What do you call whistle in Hindi? What we are calling whistle in Hindi? City. Okay. What do you call in Hindi titli? Sorry, in Hindi butterfly. What you will be call butterfly in Hindi? To butterfly in Hindi, what do you will call? Yes, titli. Very good. Okay, so like that you have to be take the revise to your lesson. Okay, 6, 7, 8. Got it? Good. Very good. So next one, here also some meanings. Read and learn this word. This also you have to be read and learn. Okay. For example, jha, badi e ki matra and la. Jheel means lake. Na, badi e ki matra ma. Neem tree. The neem tree. Okay. Next, ga, badi e ki matra gi, la, a. Gila. Gila means wet. Okay. Wet means the water. When you pour the water in that body, no? So your clothes will be wet. That is called wet. Okay. Next one, pani. What is the pani means in English? Water. Okay. Pani means in English water. Next one, imli. Imli. What is the meaning of in English? Hindi? Imli. What is the meaning of imli in English? Tamarind. Okay. Tamarind. Okay. Next one, rabdi. What you call in English rabdi? What do you call in English rabdi? Sweet dish. Sweet dish. Okay. Next one, kheer. What you call in English? Kheer. What do you call kheer in English? Dessert. What do you call? Dessert. Okay. Next one, chill. What do you call in English? Chill. What you call in English? Chill. Kite, bird. Kite, bird. Pila. What do you call in English? Pila. What you call in English? Pila. What do you call in English? Pila. Which color pila? Yes, very good. Yellow color, right? Next one, Didi. What do you call in English to Didi? What do you call to in English? Didi. Didi means, what do you understand Didi means? Yes, sister. Didi means sister. Next one, machli. Ma, cha, la and badi ki matra, li, machli. What do you understand? Machli means? Yes, very good. Fish. Machli means fish. Ladki. What do you understand ladki in English? What do you understand? Girl. Very good. Girl. Ladki means girl. Okay. Next one. So next page also same like that. But this one is a reading and writing practicing. Okay. Okay children. Do you understand what I am saying? Yes. This also all the meanings you have to be practice the 3 lesson. Okay. 2, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. Okay. These 3 lesson meanings you have to be practice. How the form the words that also practice. Okay. And the pictures name also you have to be practice. And the same like that only. This meanings only. But you have to be practice. You have to identify the what is the picture's name and all. Okay. So first one is ba, badi ki matra, ra, bir. Bir means brave. Ta, badi ki matra, ra. Tir means arrow. Na, badi ki matra, ra. Neer means water. Okay. ब बड़ी की मात्रा स 20 मीन्स क्या होता है 20 okay what do you understand there will be option will be there 5 and 4 what do you understand about of bees in English then what you have to be right there will be option I will say 4 option 5 6 5 8 10 20 which one is correct bees very good so tha badi ki matra ka ठीक means right and correct 2 option will be there okay right and correct bha badi ki matra labhil bhil means name of the tribe okay next one नीला का अर्थ क्या होता है blue in English Meera is a name of girl. Sita is a name of girl. Dadi क्या होता है in English? Grandma. Shitty, whistle. Sissy, small bottle. Okay. You can say injection bottle will be injection medicine will be there. No small bottle that is called sissy. Okay. Next one is butterfly. Titli. This one is it will be choti e also and badi e also coming because here is a having first letter choti e, last letter badi e. Okay. Here also bijli. बिजली क्या होता है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ओके इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पतली क्या होता है थीन who all are very thin no that is in Hindi called पतली लड़कियां very thin girls पतले लड़के means very thin boys, like that. मकड़ी, 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 मकड़ी means क्या होता है? स्पाइडर. ओके. ककड़ी, ककड़ी means क्या होता है? कुकुम्बर. Cucumber, throw the what you are doing? Yes, you are eating the salad. Cucumber, right? Next one, बकरी, बकरी, बकरी मतलब क्या होता है? God. Okay, बकरी मतलब God. So this one you have to be practice to your coming of PA2 exam, which is very helpful. Okay, so this one is a all the meanings, pictures, name, and the how to form the symbols. You have to identify the symbols. Okay, good, very good. Next one, chota u, the symbol of chota u. What is the contents? When the symbol is added below a letter, the letter is pronounced with the sound of oo. Okay, for example, ka and chota oo. What is that? Yes, ku. This one is a vowel, this one is a symbol. Okay, how to form? Ga plus u, gu. La plus a, la. Ba, gulab. So where is u symbol? Yes, ga after below u symbol. Okay, next one, ra plus u, ru. Pa plus ya plus ya, the symbol of a, rupaya. Rupaya means coin. So where is the symbol of u? After the ra, below u. Okay, so rupaya means coin. So here also same things, ma plus u, mu. Ka plus u, ku. Ta, mukut. Mukut matlab क्या होता है? Crayon. Mukut matlab crayon. Next one, da plus u, du. Ga, dug. Da plus u, du. Ga, dug. Ga plus e, gi. Dug, dugi. So, dug. So what is this? Dug, dugi. Dug, dugi means small drum. Small drum. Got it, children? So you this picture's name, all the book and having the picture's name, that is a word of symbol of using. All the one you have to be revised. Okay. Next one, here is a read and learn this word, the symbol of oo. Pool. Pool means bridge. So in English, what do you understand in bridge? In Hindi, what do you understand? Bridge in Hindi. What do you understand bridge in Hindi? Pool. What do you understand dunya in English? What do you understand dunya in English? What do you understand English in dunya? I am saying Hindi, you have to say the English. World. Very good. What do you understand in Hindi? Shop. What do you understand in Hindi? Shop. शॉप का मतलब क्या समझते हो आप लोग? यस, वेरी गुड. दुकान. दुकान मीन्स शॉप. ओके. व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड रुपया इन इंग्लिश? व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड रुपया इन इंग्लिश? व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड रुपया इन इंग्लिश? यस, वेरी गुड. मनी. नेक्स्ट वन, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड इन इंग्लिश, इन हिंदी English? Chair. What do you understand in Hindi? English? Chair. What do you understand in chair in Hindi? Yes, very good. Kursi. What do you understand in English? Garden. What do you understand garden in Hindi? Very good. Fulbari. Next one, bulbul. Bau, bau, labul, bau, labul. Bulbul means nightingale. Nightingale, bulbul. Okay, what do you understand bulbul in English? What do you understand bulbul in English? What do you understand? Very good. Nightingale. What do you understand in Hindi? Listen. What do you understand in Hindi? Listen. Listening. listened. What do you